Gledd y goli anghyncoed bnawn Sul, y cyntaf yn dod wedi ond 4 munud. Amy Long yn rhoi'r Met ar y blaen. Wedi 19 munud, roedd y Seintiau'n gyfartal. Scramble go iawn yn y cwrt bach, Met methu a chlirio a'r bêl yn disgyn yn garedig i Ella Hartley i rwydo. Yna, gôl y gêm. Ingrid Atland yn derbyn y bêl a chanfod y gornel ucha o 30 llath am ergyd. Roedd hi'n 2-1 i'r myfyrwyr cyn yr hanner. Croeso da o'r chwith gan Atland, oedi gan Hayden Jones yn y gôl ac Ellie Priest yn manteisio ar y cyfle. Geiriau doeth ar yr hanner gan reolwr y Seintiau Greg Draper mewn raid wrth i Hartley rwydo eto 2 funud i fewn i'r ail hanner. A gyda 20 munud i fynd, roedd hi'n 2-1. Pêl hir gan Beth Lewis yn chwarae Caitlin Chapman i mewn i unioni'r sgôr. Roedd dal amser am fwy o goliau eto. Y Norwyes Atland yn sgorio ei hael o'r gêm a'i thrydedd am y tymor. Ond gyda 4 munud yn weddill, smonach yn yr amddiffyn a golwr y Met Alicia Hawkins yn pasio'r bêl yn syth at draed Caitlin Chapman a hitha'n gorffan yn gelfydd i'w gwneud hi'n 4 gôl yr un. Daeth y Seintiau'n agos i ddwyn y triphwynt yn amser ychwanegol, ond Hawkins yn neud i fyny am ei changymeriad a'r gêm ryfeddol yn gorffan yn gyfartal.
I fod yn os, nathon ni fynd mewn i'r gêm a oedd ni'n disgwyl gêm anodd. A dwi'n meddwl ar y cae nathon ni fwydro'n dda, oedd o'n gêm tough. Goals left, right and centre ma, oedd hi'n tough, ond dwi'n meddwl doedden ni wedi dod o'na efo win, i fod yn onest. Doedden ni wedi curo, ond newn ni gymryd dro, newn ni gymryd 1 point.
Well, it was a really tough game. I feel like we should have maybe won, but yeah, we drew and have a point from that, so that's at least 1 point we can take away from that. But I feel like we were the better team, in my opinion, yeah.
Before the game, we were looking at the 2 lineups, and really we should be coming down here and getting 3 points these days. Maybe 12, 24 months ago, it's a case of we'd be more than delighted with a point, but now it's expectations have gone through the roof. So before the game, we'd be disappointed with a point, but the way the game went, we'll take a point and move on there.
I think we're a bit disappointed to come away with just the 1 point. We definitely deserved all 3 points, I thought, especially with the post there as well. But hey, it is what it is. It's 1 point, and we'll take it into next week now, and we'll go from there.
In the first half, we were disappointed with our performance. We went in, did a different formation that we don't normally do, but obviously they didn't really work out. And then obviously in the second half, we come out normal formation, just showed them what we can do. We're back to the TNS that we always are. We fought, we're determined to get there, and obviously we got the draw.